video takes place on the second day of first season here in Illinois. We had high winds that day. The birds weren't gobbling well. And based on our trail cameras and the hunting opening day, we knew it was taking the birds 2, 3, 4 hours even to get into the farm. So we decided to set up back here, be patient, wait. Hopefully something would pop out. But at 9 o'clock, we actually got a photo of a bird in the clover field in this bottom. And usually when they leave that bottom, they'll work these ridges and get up in this high field here, and it's blocked from the wind too. This area is blocked, and this area is blocked. So what we did was, as soon as we got the photo, we grabbed all of our stuff and ran to the woods and got set up as quick as we could, and hope to God we beat the birds there. Nice job, dude.
Thank you.
Oh God, I can't move my legs. Go get him. In case something happens, grab his neck. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Whew. I did not think you're gonna shoot, but I don't know how much longer I could have waited. I can't feel my legs, bro. Oh no. You were in a bind, dude. That hen was what, 5 yards tops, maybe less.
Yeah. Dude, thank you.
No problem, dude. That was epic.
That was awesome.
Oh.
Right.
I mean, it'll be a minute before I can get out. I can't. My right leg's back. My left leg's gone.
And dude, you can't sit long in those cushions before you like.
See, by the time that hen was, I was gonna cut me a little hole right there and lean up against that tree.
Yeah.
But as soon as I sat down, the hen popped out.
Dude, that was, so like literally like you sat down and I looked, boom, turkey.
Is he a nice bird?
Oh yeah.
Is he?
I mean, he's not got like giant hooks, but they're an inch. You know?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's got a long ass beard. Oh, dude, there's another Tom right there.
How far?
He's in the pipeline, or it's at least a Jake.
Did he see you?
Yeah, I see him.
Nice. Me and Ethan will take care of him. Oh, I see him, yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna try to spook him. And that was the point where I was like, okay, he's no doubt in range at this point.
Yeah. How far back was he?
Then he was behind my hand. And then the hand kept turning. Oh, yeah. The hand kept turning sideways. He was out here looking. Yeah, this is it.
Oh wow, yeah. That's still probably what?
Right,
That's
30.
actually only like 30. It looked further.
Yeah.
You were trying to shoot him out there. I was like, no. I was like, let him go. He's gonna
yeah, I mean, I was like I knew he was on the edge of range, but yeah, definitely a good call to wait.
Yeah, as long as I was waiting to see what that hen did, then I was gonna call and have him stick his head up higher in the air.
He was no charger inner though.
No, he was submissive to that.
That was cool when he went into strata. He didn't.
Yeah, he would never go full out, but he was in.
Yeah.
He tried.
Yeah.
Nice beard.
Yeah. Yeah, he would.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah, nice. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, dude.
No problem. Man, we couldn't have. We literally just had to.
Shout out to Reveal.
Yeah, thank God for the cell cams.
Right before, and then you saw it.
Yeah,
right
we probably
when
saw it
I
at the same
did,
time.
because literally like right after I saw it, you're like, "There's the top."
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? Just fan them out?
Yeah, just fan them out. There he is. Alright, well, we had a tough morning. We didn't see a turkey till probably 9:30, and we actually got a picture of him, hen and him in the bottoms. And as soon as we got the picture of him, we V-lined and got set up. And as we were basically getting set up, the hens came out, and that's where the video starts, obviously. And then he was, what, 5 minutes behind them, probably at least.
Yeah.
And they were, I mean, you could see they were 5 yards from him. So it was tough, but we stayed still and made a count on him. Yeah, big special thanks to our buddy that lets us hunt out here. It's his turn now, so we'll be back Saturday. Hope we get some more video for you guys. But
Heck yeah, didn't hear a turkey gobble on the whole property at all today.
400 acres, and the only gobbles we heard were across the road. But we knew eventually they'd circle back and get in here, so it all worked out. It's back-to-back days, 2 birds down, and hopefully get a third one on Saturday.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Stayed patient today, that was the key.
Patience is key.
Yep.
Yeah, baby.